See this parking spot? 90% of people can't park in. In fact, parking on the side is skillful. Remember my 3 points, and you can park smoothly when you encounter side parking in the future. Fasten the seatbelt first. And then we drive the car forward parallel to the parking space line. When the rearview mirror is aligned with the car next to it, turn the steering wheel fully to the right and reverse the car. When you can see all the headlights of the car behind you in the left rearview mirror, turn the steering wheel to the left and reverse the car. In the rearview mirror on the right, when you see the intersection of the front door handle and the curb, turn the steering wheel fully to the left and you can enter the garage. How about it? Side parking is so simple. Follow me, go to the homepage to learn more car knowledge.